Okay, I have a little bit of makeup on already, but I wanted to unbox my ipsy with you guys. So this month's icon box features Chrissy Teigen, and they included a little cookie mix, and there's also this exfoliating cleanser. First thing that I got when I opened the box, so let's go see the rest. I thought these were macaroons. These are actually like really colorful tennis balls, and I thought they were colorful macaroons. And I think that just shows how hungry I am right now. I need to eat more. It's like lunchtime now. I had like a smoothie for breakfast. Anyway, it's because I just saw the cookie mix, right? I saw the cookie mix and then I saw this. So I was thinking food. And my brain really thought these were macaroons. And now I want some. There is a smoothing peptide cream, an overnight lip mask by K. Voss, NYC. Anti-aging eye cream with squalene. Squalene? Has to be squalene, right? How do you pronounce that? Squalene, vitamin E, and vitamin B3. I've used their vitamin C serum before. I've shared it here before. I believe I got it through ipsy too, and that was really nice. So I'm excited to try this. There is a baked highlighter from Il Maquillage. You know what? Let's try it right now. Let's see how it looks on me. Ooh, you guys see that? That definitely shows. Before, after. What do you guys think? Ooh. Okay, one more. Dot right there. Put some inner corners. Put some here. Just put it all over your face. Just kidding. No, but really, put a little bit right here. Okay, last but not the least, there is an eyeshadow palette. It is by Iconic London. I love their big palettes. And it's called Treat Yourself eyeshadow palette. Okay, there are a lot of metallic shades in this palette, and I love it. What shade should I put, you guys? Everything looks so pretty. Maybe this one. The blueberry. Just put like a dot. A dot. Okay, I've put some of the blue shades. We're gonna do a wear test today. Okay, that was it for the BoxyCharm. This is going to be the icon box. So there's going to be 8 products in this one. This comes, I believe, quarterly, so every 3 months. And I always love seeing what's in here. Are you guys ready? Okay, first are these makeup brushes. There's this foaming gel. This is what it looks like. I'm not gonna use it right now, but maybe we'll do a separate skincare video. I haven't done one in a long time, so let me know if you guys want to do like a get on ready with me. There is this primer. Oh, I got more of these. I'm already using this right now, actually, so I may keep it or I might add it to the giveaway. We'll see. I'll probably add it to the giveaway. This is a weightless lip color by Kosas. I think I already have this too. I need to double check the shade that I got, but it might be the same one, so you guys might end up getting this too. Ooh, this is a dark spot serum by Fenty Beauty. I'm excited to try this. Show you guys what the packaging looks like. Ooh. Oh, we got some eye mask. It's by Patchology, and you guys know that I love these, so I'm definitely going to be storing these in the fridge, and I'm going to be trying them out and letting you guys know. Okay, I love the packaging, but you guys know that these types of surfaces are really hard to photograph and make content with, so I'm just gonna open it. The glam bag. I love the design. Let's go see what's inside. That just came right off. This was outside, and it's a little blending sponge. It's a mini palette by Beauty Vault. It's a little moisturizer, and I need a new one for my purse, so I'm excited to have this. Here's a pore tightening mask by Tony Moly. It's so cute and like travel sized. Last but not least, it's a matte primer by Porefessional. I think I already have this. I need to double check, but yeah, I may add this also. Okay, that's it. Let me know what you guys want more info on and which ones you guys want me to try this month and give you guys an update on.